I am Dr. Wiwatchai Sittiwong. I am a oncologist working at CRS Hospital in Bangkok, Thailand. And most of my patients were treated with Elekta Versa HD for external beam radiation, and also some of them were treated with MR-I Linac Unity. At the first time that we installed the machine, especially with MR-I Linac, during that time it was a COVID pandemic. But what we're gonna do about training? So we have Elekta support for us for online training. We did online training, and also afterward, after COVID kind of like getting better, so we had on-site training also. Elekta tried their best to minimize the downtime, so maximize the uptime in that meaning. They try to fix any problem, and they, if the downtime occurs, we call the company, and then there's a guy coming and try to fix the problem quickly. Sometimes the downtime occur the late evening. It is out of the service time, and we can call that guy, and he's come to fix the problem at night for us, and then in the morning we can treat patient again in the morning. So that's very perfect. I think it's very important for the uptime is for the patient, because cancer treatment is cancer is growing every day, every minute, right? So we have to treat continuously without any interruption to maximize the treatment outcome. It's very good for us to have Elekta partnership, because they keep the training all the time, so that we keep our knowledge to be in a good way.